Now, Central Illinois' most accurate forecast with meteorologist Jacob Dickey.
Hot out there today again. These heat index values are going to be 10 to 15 degrees above what the actual air temperatures. We can already see the impact of that even during the cooler part of the day. In the morning, it's 85 in Danville. Feels like 97 already. Dew points there at 78. There's some soupy air in place. It's just because the corn is releasing all that water. That process of evapotranspiration, similar to how you and I sweat in the heat, well, it's hot for the corn too. So it's opening up its pores, letting out water, trying to cool off and sweat. That's why we call it corn sweat there. So with that, going to be hot for all of us today here. Remember, an acre of corn can release 3,000 to 4,000 gallons of water a day. There's a lot of corn out there. And we haven't even talked about the beans. We'll save that for another day. In the meantime, temperatures out there in the mid-90s today. I'm going to go with 94 for a high. Heat index values into the 110s. I do think this afternoon and evening there could be some pop-up storms. The better chance comes more this evening into tonight here as we see a front approach our area here. 95 for Gilman today, 94 in Mahomet and Forsyth, 95 in Altamont. Greenup gets to 96. As we head into tonight then, the storm chances a bit higher here. Temperature drops down to 74. It's still going to be humid, and those scattered storm chances won't bring a whole lot of relief to us here. You're still going to feel those heat index values through the overnight hours into the 80s and low 90s. Moving forth then, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday all have chances for scattered storms. Better chances appear to be probable both Friday and Saturday. We'll leave a chance there on Sunday as well with our front coming on through. It's still hot. It's still humid. You would think that rain would bring relief. It might bring a little bit and cool the air, but it just adds to the humidity, right? You just see the earth steaming after some of the rain in the summertime here. Notice through today, most of the area is dry. I cannot discount some pop-up activity this afternoon and evening. We're just so hot, get things cooking there. And we'll watch for some of these scattered showers and a few storms through tonight. Same story for tomorrow. I tend to think guidance is maybe underdoing a little bit on the pop-up activity. We just get hot there. And with the front nearby, it'll allow for some showers and thunderstorms to blossom. And that'll continue into Friday night, Saturday morning, and through the day on Saturday as well, with rounds of showers and storms coming. Might still be some that linger into Sunday here. As far as the severe weather risk goes, it's not a big one. Typically, when you get those hot, humid air masses, you can get some gusty winds. Those storms, they blow up quick. Just watch those towering cumulonimbus clouds develop. You'll see how fast they rise in the heat like this. And what goes up has to come down. Sometimes we get some strong gusts of winds from those. Marginal risk for today. We're okay on Friday. I wouldn't discount it. Looks like Saturday officially we have a marginal risk here. And again, that's probably the main threat as far as the normal 3 we talk about. However, given the tropical moisture in place, can't discount some flash flooding to develop out there. The excessive rainfall outlook for today, tomorrow, and even into Saturday is present. We're looking at a slight risk for some of that there. That means that there could be the potential for some tropical downpours and some heavy rain. No shortage of moisture out there. Notice those dew point values are at the top of the chart, and at times we're seeing those dew point values staying into the low 80s as well out here. So that's something that we'll keep an eye on moving on forth here. After that, then, you factor the humidity. Look at these heat index values for the foreseeable future. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We're talking 110, 115. Again, you could get a little relief when rain's nearby, but notice by Monday when things dry off, that's probably one of our hotter days here. We're not through it yet. Temperatures into the 90s again. Heat index values 110, 115. Tuesday. Now, Wednesday. Not as much pink there. That's when the next front comes our way here. This front doesn't do a whole lot for us in the temperature department. The next one looks like it will. As we watch that come our way, we'll be hot through about Tuesday. By Wednesday, then, we'll see that jet stream flow change, and that's going to grab a lot of Canadian air. And look at it dive south here to our region. That's what we're really looking forward to. The 10-day outlook. Ooh, look at that there, right? Some low 80s for highs. That may be too warm. I'm not going to go 70s yet. Some of the guidance is saying, hey, you might have upper 70s out there. That's why I've got a 30% chance that in about 8 to 10 days, someone you know might say it feels like fall. Someone might be in this room that might want to say that too. I don't know I know Taylor's a big fan of fall. I mean, you've got what, 6 billion pumpkins that you pull out this time of year?
Billion.
Yeah, that was a lot.
Couple hundred.
Couple hundred of those. Yeah.
We're ready for those 80s.
So that's the case there. We'll get some storm activity on Wednesday. You already can see that temperature kind of trailing off there a little bit, so we'll see how much cool air it could get. I don't want to say it's going to be in the 70s. There's a chance it'll be there, but we'll watch and see. Just know that some relief, some cooler air is coming soon. Maybe not soon.
You said 70s. Okay.
Hoping.
Your trending topics are